Okay, here we have a 2007 Wrangler X Unlimited with power windows, locks, and cruise, and we're going to turn off the auto lock function. So supposedly you put the key in, close the doors, 1, 2, 3, 4, leave it on, and then hit the unlock button. So we're going to try it out. We just got done doing the mod to turn off the lock beeper. Notice how it doesn't beep when you lock the doors. See my other video for that. So it's unlocked. Now we're going to get in, close the door, figure out which way is lock. Lock is down, unlock is up. I forget which way it's supposed to be, whether you do it up or down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think I got it on 4 the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if it auto locks. It did not. That's how to turn off the auto locks. Alright. Stay tuned.